Welcome to the PROMOVET case study video. This short instructional video will show you how to use some of the features of Tumblr in your teaching practice. Tumblr is a microblogging platform for all media where users can share texts, images, audio files, quotes, links, chats, or video files. It can be used as a depository for resources, sharing and following other blogs, and for long-term school assignments. In this video, we will provide an example for an educational class assignment by using Tumblr as a year-long student-centered documentation of their changing attitudes, skill levels, or specific knowledge. This activity is best suited for practical disciplines such as art, photography, or home economics, but it can be also used within any discipline to document the progression of student attitudes in relation to their experiences, emotions, knowledge and skill level about a school subject, class, a literary character, or a social phenomenon. While a participant's primary Tumblr has to be public and searchable, students will need to create a second Tumblr blog with restricted access for the purposes of this assignment. At the end of each class every week, ask your students to post their attitudes via any multimedia medium they choose and provided by Tumblr. At the last class of the year, each student presents an outline of that process and assesses what has been learned, what hasn't, as well as a progression of attitudes and emotions. Focus on identifying what students found surprising between the 2 points in time. Now that you were presented with an example for the educational use of Tumblr, you should create an account on it and familiarize yourself with the key features of the tool and think about different creative ways to engage students through this web tool. For more ideas on how online tools can be used in your teaching practice, remember to log on to the PROMOVET platform and check out our compendium of online tools, which provides you with advice on how to integrate these online resources in your teaching.